Hey, happy Mother's Day, you mothers.
All right, hit it.
This Sunday is Mother's Day. What are you gonna do for your mom, considering all she did for you? I mean, she did quite a bit of pushing. Look at the size of your head.
Push, Franny. Come on. I can see the head.
Oh, no, I can't do this. I'm sorry. I quit.
So anyway, Mother's Day is on Sunday, and I have one great last-minute idea for a Mother's Day gift for Mom, showing her how much you care about her and how much you care about animals. Right now, between now and the end of Mother's Day, if you donate to Compassion Over Killing, the animal rights, animal protection agency who employs me, your donation will be matched 100%. So if you give $5, it'll be 10. If you give 10, it'll be 20. If you give 100, it'll be 200. If you give 1,000, well, you get the idea. So this is a perfect opportunity to double your impact for the animals. And it's also a great opportunity to dedicate it to Mom. Doesn't she deserve that? Right now, donate at cok.net/donate. And your donation will be matched, and you can choose an e-card that says Everlasting Love for Mother's Day, and dedicate this donation to Mom. She deserves it. She put up with you. Isn't it about time you gave back to Mom and the animals? It's a great way to show Mom that you are committed to the animals, you're committed to veganism, and you want to make a difference in the world for the climate and human health. And if your mom's not vegan, this might be a great opportunity to ask her why she's not vegan, and to maybe send her some recipes from tryveg.com, so the next time you come to visit, she'll have something vegan for you to eat. You hear me, Mom? Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful Mother's Day. I'm blessed. I have a great mom. She raised me and my two sisters wonderfully. I mean, we wanted for nothing. It was an incredible upbringing. I'm so fortunate in that regard. So, Mom, I love you. All moms, I love you. Have a great Mother's Day. Enjoy spending time. This year, me and the two kids will make a tofu scramble wrap and some tater tots and some fresh squeezed orange juice. And I just gave the whole secret away if my wife is watching this. So happy Mother's Day to all moms. Have a great day on Sunday. Try to relax. I'm never sure if moms want the kids there because they're moms and they love their kids, or if they want the kids gone because they're kids. So maybe ask Mom ahead of time what she wants. Call your mom, get on the phone, call her. Don't text her, but make sure you talk to her, tell her you love her. Get with your siblings and pull something together, and go to cok.net/donate and make a donation, a doubled donation in honor of your mom. All moms deserve that. So happy Mother's Day. Comment, like, and subscribe.